Hey guys, and OMG, we have seen with the S9 and Note 9's official trailers got leaked accidentally by Samsung themselves before the official announcement. But now what happened with the S10? The full confirmed spec sheet on the S10 family got leaked by one of the Samsung employees, and here's also some camera features leaked by developer Maxwin Pack from XDA. So according to the spec sheet, the S10e will have a 5.8-inch 19:9 display with 2280 by 1080 resolution, and S10 will have a 6.1-inch and S10 Plus will have a 6.3-inch display with 3040 by 1440 display. And as we all know, all of them will have Samsung's new Infinity O display design, and this display is going to be a new dynamic AMOLED HDR Plus with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection for S10 and S10 Plus, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection for S10e. And for security, S10 and S10 Plus will have an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, as we all know, which will be the industry's most fastest and most secure in-display fingerprint scanner. And S10e will have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner inside a power button. Now as for the camera, S10 and S10 Plus will have 3 cameras on their back, and S10e will have 2 cameras, in which the main camera is set to be the 12 megapixel with variable aperture, same as the Galaxy S9, and second one will be the 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 123-degree field of view. Now S10 and S10 Plus will have one main camera, same as the Galaxy S9, one telephoto camera, again same as the Galaxy S9, and one wide angle camera, same as the Galaxy S10e. And as for the front facing camera, all of them will have a new 10 megapixel front facing camera with optical image stabilization and up to 4K video recording. And S10 Plus will have another 8 megapixel front facing depth camera for portrait mode selfies. And as for the camera features, it will have an AR emoji, fun stickers, 4K video recording, and live focus mode, which you all know. But what about the zoom effect, color point effect, and spin effect? So developer Max from XDA found some strings about the camera features in one UI, and according to him, Samsung is going to introduce new blur effects with S10 family, and these effects will be blur, color point, mono, slide light, spin, vintage, and zoom. Blur will be the normal bokeh blur, color point will turn the blurred background black and white, mono will make the entire picture black and white, side light will add an effect of light on the side of your face, and spin will spin the light around the background. It is unknown what vintage and zoom will do. Now here are a couple of more features, like upgraded super slow-mo, means the S10 family will allow you to take 0.8 seconds of 960 fps video, 1080p resolution. Next one will be the best shot, which will help you to take perfectly aligned shots, so you don't need to hit the shutter button at the best moment. And here's also a string called saved as motion, which kinda like of live picture of iPhone. Next one, here's the flaw detection. In the S10 family, flaw detection mode will be updated and automatically recommend users specific modes to take better shots. The string mentions recommendations for food mode, wide angle selfies, screen flash for selfies, panorama, and live focus. Next one here is scene optimizer. The Galaxy S10 will be able to detect up to 30 scenes, up from 20 scenes on the Galaxy Note 9. And the interesting part here is portrait mode and HDR mode. The S10 will recognize when HDR or portrait mode is needed and automatically enable it. And last one here is super steady video, which allow Galaxy S10 to shoot a best stabilized video, and in this mode you are not able to apply any effects or zooming. So these all are the camera features of the S10 family. According to spec sheet, the S10 Plus will have a 4100 mAh battery, S10 will have a 3400 mAh, and S10e will have a 3100 mAh battery. And these all models support wireless power share, or I would say wireless reverse charging, and wireless charging 2.0. So this is everything about the S10 family. Let me know what you think about this leak, and please make sure to subscribe for all the upcoming leaks about Samsung. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.